I'm very tired. I was up a lot last night. And I was up at 5:30 feeding my cats because I decided 5:30 was really good time to get to bed. So I'm making coffee. I need a coffee. My favorite thing right now to drink, thanks to Glam, that's how you pronounce her last name. I discovered this. I really like it. It is the Starbucks iced coffee, and it's the blondie roast unsweetened. It's really good. And then I love sugar, so I also put Irish cream coffee creamer in it. It's really good. Because I'm really sad because I can't get my daily lattes. And I'm gonna use my big mason jar because I need a lot of coffee this morning.
Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, fat and broken up. Going up smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's in the post. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions fall on me.
Alright, now that I have my coffee and my cats are fed, I'm going to do my daily journal prompt. And I'm probably going to read because I didn't read yesterday, and I really need to get through the first chapter of the 5th book. I hate starting like the next book because it's like you just got off of a very suspenseful, amazing ending, and now you're like back into the build-up. So let's get on to the 5th book and some journaling. Okay, so my journal prompt today is give yourself a compliment. So I'm going to write myself a compliment. Yes.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open.
Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick makeup like room tour. I don't know, my glam room, I guess it's glam room, I don't know. Yeah, we'll call it a glam room. I want to do a glam room tour. This is a work in progress. It's not nearly close to done, but this is what it looks like right now. And I will keep you guys updated on what it will look like, what it's gonna look like, and more fun. Okay, let's get into it. You walk in, and there's a mirror. But right here to the right is like my favorite thing in the whole entire world. It's the IKEA rack that we got. I customized it And I have the drawer down there and my shoes there. And I just kind of have my bags and stuff there right now. But I have some of my favorite clothes. I'm working on getting more over here. But then in front, we have this rack up here. And that has my conspiracy palette goes there, but I used that for my makeup look today. Conspiracy palette, lip bundle, my Gucci bag. Because just like Jeffree Star said, whoever gets their first Gucci has to keep the bag. So that's what I did. I also have my Blue Bud palette. And I have outfit here. I was thinking about wearing that or this. And I made my boyfriend decide. He chose this one over that one. And then over here, I have all my makeup. It's quite a mess right now. But I have all my makeup. And then I just have little tiny storage bins for more makeup. And I have this really cute mug that holds all my Jeffree Star brushes because I literally don't use any other brushes. They're actually the first brushes that I bought that were proper set ones. I've never actually owned like makeup brush sets. They were the first ones. Really proud. And then I have this here. And it's a whole bunch of Polaroid pictures. I love this picture of me and my cat. It is the cutest freaking picture in the whole entire world. That is my room right now. It's a work in progress. Like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So I'm definitely gonna get more of these shelves. They're really cool. I really like them. And they fit my aesthetic. So I hope you guys like that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.